Good morning, Chris with GHT Solar and Electric. Today we're going to be replacing some Amphenol connectors on some older modules. These modules are outside of their warranty period, and some of the Amphenol connectors look like they're damaged and they need to be replaced. They're also mating with old N-phase M250 microinverters, and those have MC4 connectors on them. So we're going to switch all the module leads over to MC4s, and we're going to show you guys how to do it. So this is existing Amphenol connector. As you can see right here, it's got the Amphenol stamp on here. Sorry, camera's trying to get a picture of it. There it is, Amphenol. And we'll be swapping these leads out.
There we go. Replacing there and there. Squeezer go.
One thing to keep in mind when you're replacing the male connectors, that's going to have the big hole on the inside. And then the female connector is going to have the smaller pin. You're going to want to use these MC4 tools to help you tighten down these connectors. And that's it. Rinse and repeat for the next connector, and now you have new MC4 connectors. Good to go. Thanks. Catch you on the next one.